Hello everyone, myself Pritesh Raut, and today we are going to discuss about a vent type compressor. So, in the previous lecture we have studied we have gone through the working of lobe type compressor where two or three lobes are there, and when the air is trapped in between the two lobes they are get compressed, and then that compressed air is stored to the receiver. Okay, so in this vent type compressor, instead of lobe we have a vent type arrangement with the spring and the vane. Then they are maintained in a slot. So this vane along with that spring is maintained in a slot. So that vane is reciprocate inside the slot. So thereby the action of that vane, because of that action of that vane, what, the air get compressed. Okay, so this vane type compressor, it consists of the rotor which is located eccentrically in cylindrical casing. Okay, eccentrically means away from the center of cylindrical casing. Okay, so here the rotor is located eccentrically in a cylindrical casing. So rotor carries a set of spring loaded vanes in the slot of the rotor, as we told. So when the atmospheric air is enter into the casing of vane type compressor, that air is trapped in between the vanes, and because of that the compression is carried out, and during the compression the pressure of that air is increased, and it is increased due to the very less vacuum, the very less volume which is attained in between the two vanes. And so the effect of that is what, the compression is carried out and the high pressure air then delivered to the receiver. Okay, so this thing is happen in compressor. So air is get compressed when it comes in contact between the two vane. Okay, the vane type compressor require less work compared to the lobe type for the same capacity and pressure rise. So okay, in this way we have discussed the working of vane type compressor, or how the air is compressed in case of vane type compressor. So when it trapped in between the two vanes, they are going to be compressed, and then that compressed air is then delivered to the receiver. Okay, thank you.